Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you dreaming of fresh homegrown fruit from your backyard? Today I'm revealing the 3 best fast growing fruit trees that are perfect for your backyard. These trees are a must-have for beginner gardeners and anyone passionate about growing their own fruit and veggies. So let's dive in. So first off is the mulberry tree. If you're looking for a tree that grows crazy fast, the mulberry is your answer. These fast growing beauties can give you fruit in the first year if you get them into the ground well before spring. They are that fast at growing. You can see this one here is a cutting off my original tree and it's got little baby fruit on it already. These cuttings have been in the ground for only a couple of months and are getting quite big. They've grown really quickly. If you prune your mulberry trees after it has fruited during spring or autumn, then you can usually get another smaller crop of mulberries. Mulberries thrive in subtropical climates but grow well all over Australia as long as they are in a warm sunny position and require minimal care once established. The fruit is sweet, juicy and perfect for jams, desserts or just eating fresh off the tree or making into a mulberry pie like I did this year. The bonus of the mulberry tree is they attract birds and pollinators to your garden. Pro tip, prune your mulberry tree regularly to encourage bushier growth and more fruit production. They're incredibly resilient, so they'll bounce back quickly after a trim. Next on the list is the peach tree. Peaches are a summer favorite and the good news is they grow super fast and they taste absolutely delicious and produces within 1 year. In subtropical climates like here in Brisbane where I am based, a good variety is Tropic Beauty or Florida Prince peach trees, but you can grow peaches anywhere in Australia. Just Google the best variety for your climate. Peaches flourish with plenty of sunlight and good air circulation. They will also reward you with stunning blossoms in spring before the fruit appears. Talk about a tree that's both beautiful and productive. Pro tip for the peach tree, don't forget to thin the fruit when it's young to get larger, juicier peaches at harvest time. Within the first 6 months of planting my Tropic Beauty peach, I had my first peach growing. It was small but delicious. The second spring, which was 18 months later, this tree was covered with peaches and the taste of these peaches is unmatched with the rubbish you buy from the supermarket. They are so deliciously sweet, there's just no comparison. That is why I always have a peach tree in my backyard. They are easy to grow and they grow so fast. I have pruned this tree back heavily in winter and it continues to grow prolifically. Last but definitely not least is the guava tree. Guavas are an excellent addition to any backyard garden, especially in subtropical climates. These trees are super fast growers and can produce fruit within 6 months. This was planted 7 months ago and has already got fruit on it. Guavas are super versatile. Eat them fresh, turn them into guava jelly or add them to tropical smoothies. They are also packed with vitamin C, making them a healthy and delicious choice. They are a tough tree and are actually a great hedging tree that is edible. I am yet to try this variety of guava, but it's said to be one of the sweetest and tastiest. Once the fruit turns yellow and falls off, they are perfectly ripe for eating. You don't need to peel them either, which is great. This tropical guava tree here in my front yard is 18 months old and so big now. This is the first year of fruit and I haven't tried this variety yet either and it's said to be delicious. The fruit on this variety is much larger than the yellow cherry guava. This strawberry lemonade guava is a couple of years old now. Last year we got around 200 guavas off it. They are quite small and not overly sweet and the seeds are quite hard, so it's not my favorite variety, but it's certainly prolific. You can see how many fruit are on this tree again this year. Pro tip for guavas. Guava trees love a sunny spot with well-draining soil. They can be grown anywhere in Australia as long as they get good warmth and sun during the day. I haven't had any issues with fruit flies yet, touch wood, but they can be prone to them. Okay, so mulberries, peaches and guavas, these are my top 3 fast growing fruit trees that you want in your backyard if you want to have fruit straight away and not have to wait years for it. Not only are they beginner friendly, but they're perfect for subtropical climates and are super low maintenance. Have you grown any of these trees in your garden? I would love to know, so leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video and got something out of it. If so, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next week for another video.